line nila itong team.
Okay. Yo, when you see me dismount when you see me dismount. Not when I say dismount, you dismount, okay? Kaya ba yun? Hold.
Nagmo-move sila east. Umikot sila wrap around sa bridge.
Okay, come north. Walk. Ready?
Kumukuha sa screen.
Yo, wala.
Ito sila.
Kanina, tayo yung advantage eh.
Ace nyo.
Dismounted na.
Okay, walk. Keep walking lang. Pasabi, saan sila? Kabila pa?
Bandang HO.
Bandang HO. Tara. Walk. Walk southwest. Kahit past northeast, okay? Again, kahit past northeast, ditang step up, pillar step up. Pillar low. Careful. Yo, ready.
Lag ako.
Yo, ready. Yo, dev. Yo, ready. Inside us now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Hit. Pull up na. Pass. Then kite northeast. Hug the wall. Full pills, full cleanses. Kite northeast. Keep kiting northeast. Pots if you need, okay? Again, pots if you need. 4 seconds, I'm up. Tell me if ready, okay? Keep kiting northeast. Step up front. Ready. Hold. Look shallow southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow southwest now. On me. Hitting southwest now. Keep going northeast now. Northeast then east sa choke, Northeast and east sa choke. Move.
I can set up.
Move. Hold. Look west. Walk west. You ready? By the tree. Yo. Hold. Look southwest. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow southwest now. Hit. Then kite east pass. Pabilis pa yung damage. Kite east. Keep kiting east. Yo, ditang step up. Keep kiting east. Tell me Fred, keep kiting east.
I'm ready.
Hold. Yo. Hold. Yo, wait. Hug new east, southwest, hug west. You ready? Shallow west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow west now. Then kite east, then southwest. Kite east, then southwest. Dev. Nice soak. Kite east, then southwest. Okay, hold the choke. Walk northwest. Walk northwest. Keep walking northwest. You ready? Everything sides of the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pass the choke na. It's hit. It's massive. Hit that shit. Then kite southwest. Hello? Kite southwest, hug the wall. Yung horse nasa atin, Ready to pump your pass.
Sobrang daming low.
Hold. Keep kiting west.
Na-hold sila.
Okay, walk north. Walk. You have the GA straight north is in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Hit. Then kite southwest. Pangit.
Careful.
Kite southwest.
Okay, si Sunyo.
Kite southwest. Yo. Kite southwest. Okay, hold. Keep kiting west. You're ready. Dev now. You're ready. Inside us now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit now. Kill him. Kill. The push east. Yeah. Patay. Ito 6-3 mga rel mo. Yung Claren 6-3.
Buti mo na. 5-4 suwa no siya. Suwa.
Dito ko lang.
Isang DPS.
Yung price. Come
Kamis.
Ito mga DPS nandito, boss.
Dito hard work. Isa.
DPS dito.
Stylistic din.
One more.
Buli mo.
Kasya pa yung laban to. Sabihin nyo nga, tanongin nyo.
Meron, boys. Bubo.
Rekta na to pa bangka.
Right click mo lang. Stylistic. Kaya mo yan. Huliin.
Nice one.